In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Clickup with Notion. We're going to walk through using Notion's native integration so that your Clickup tasks can show up cleanly inside your Notion workspace. By the end, you'll be able to connect the two tools and start embedding live Clickup task links right into your pages. First, open Notion and go to your main home area. This is usually where you see your sidebar with your workspaces, recent pages, and favorites. Make sure you're in the correct workspace where you actually want ClickUp to be available, because the integration will connect to that specific workspace. Next, look for the Settings option. Depending on your layout, this might appear when you click on your workspace name or your profile picture in the sidebar. Open Settings, and you'll see a panel with different sections for managing your account, notifications, and workspace features. In that panel, find and select the Connections section. This is where Notion lets you manage all the apps and services that can connect to your workspace. Connections are what Notion uses to securely link third-party tools like ClickUp, so this is the hub for integrations. Inside Connections, look for a button or link that says something like Browse Connections in Gallery. Click that to open the Notion Integrations Gallery in your browser. This gallery is a searchable list of all the official and third-party integrations available for Notion. Once the gallery is open, use the search bar at the top and start typing the name of the ClickUp integration. As you type, you'll see results appear below. You're looking for the official integration that's built and maintained for Notion, so make sure you're selecting the one that clearly indicates it's provided by Notion or is the primary ClickUp listing, not a random third-party tool. Click on that integration result to open its detail page. On this page, you'll see an overview of what the integration does and an option that says Add to Notion. Go ahead and click Add to Notion. Notion may prompt you with a confirmation message or a short explanation of the access being requested. When you see that, click OK to continue. At this point, Notion will open a connection window asking you to authorize access. You may be redirected to sign in to ClickUp, or if you're already signed in, you'll just see a permission screen. Review the permissions, make sure you're connecting the correct ClickUp workspace, and when you're ready, click Connect. Once the connection is established, your Notion workspace is now integrated with ClickUp. From here, you can start pasting ClickUp task links into Notion pages and take advantage of the native previews and any additional functionality provided by the integration.